here's your bed. Here's your bed. There's a bed. Hi, puppy. Hi. Hi, puppy. Hey, Boo. Hey, Boo Tinsel. Hey, Boo Tinsel. Hey, Boo Tinsel. What's she doing? She's biting her friend. She's right back there in the middle. She kind of gets lost in the crowd. Let's see. Here she is. Here's little Tinsel. They're still a little, they're only 3.5 weeks old, so they're still very unsteady on their feet. They get a little steadier about 4 or 5, maybe about 5 weeks old. 3 weeks old, they're funny, they look like they're drunk. Ah, there's little Tinsel. Somebody climbing on her. Yeah. See how they all act like they're drunk? You gonna get up there, little one? Look at her climb up. Look at her. There she goes. Somebody's biting her ear. Yeah. Yeah. There she is. There she is. Yeah, she's the star of the show. She's just so tiny. Look at them flying. Look at them flying over there. What is this? This is right there. That's Holly. She's the biggest girl. There she's getting in the bed. Way in the back. Got this. There he is. That's Jolly. Look at his legs trembling in the back. He's trying to stand up. And then that's biting over there to the right. That's Jingle. I believe that's Jingle. No, that's Elf. I think that's Elf. Jingle's got her back to us. There comes Elf. He's coming forward. And that's Jingle behind him. There's Jingle. There's Jingle. Yeah. There's Jingle. That's Jingle right there. Ooh, she's going over with the crowd. Tinsel's climbing on everybody. So that's all the puppies. They're not usually awake very long. Mostly just in the morning I find them awake.